Hello and welcome to Knife of the Living Dead. Today I'm going to be refilling this Harley Davidson Zippo lighter, and also I've picked up a new wick and some new flints for it, so I'll be replacing those as well in this old Zippo lighter that I've had for a long time now. My fiance gave this to me about 5 years ago and it already had some wear and tear. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the flints. And there's the flints right there. I think they gave me six genuine flints from Zippo. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and replace the wick and flints from the old Harley Zippo. I'm gonna need some pliers to pull this wick out from in here. So you want to pull out the tank, and I'm going to remove that bottom there. This is a screw that just screws out. I'm using the back of my multi-tool here, Gerber multi-tool. And that unscrews. So I'm going to remove the bottom piece, and I'm going to go in there with my pliers and start removing that cottony material. It comes out in a few different little balls, so you're going to remove them all. There it is, the old wick. Okay, so when I pulled out the screw with the spring, you could see the old piece of flint there. I'm going to go ahead and replace that piece of flint. I'm going to go ahead and thread the new wick through. Not sure if you can see that hole right there. It's going to be going through there. So I'm going to be just trying to straighten out this wick. This is kind of the fiddly part of it, the tricky part. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to use my pliers to pull the remaining piece through, and I'm going to bring it up so that it's flush with the edge of the chimney. There we go. That worked out just fine. Now I'm going to start stuffing the cotton balls back in there. I'm not sure if they're cotton. I think they're, I think they're made out of rayon or something. But yeah, I'm going to start stuffing those back in with the pliers. Kind of trying to interweave the wick here with more of the balls. More of this material stuff. And stuff it in there. Make sure you get all of it back. Perfect. It's kind of hard fitting this stuff in after you take it out. Use your pliers if you want. Stuff it back in there. It's gonna fit nice. Okay, it's all stuffed back in. I think at this point I'm gonna go ahead and replace the flint. Okay, so I just grabbed the new flint piece and it's gonna go back into the hole there. And I'm gonna replace the screw. Before I do that, I've got to put this bottom piece on. It's all nice there. You can screw the bottom screw back on with your hand. I don't think they recommend using a flathead, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyways. I just like using tools. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and refill it with the Zippo lighter fluid. Let that soak in there. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and replace the tank inside the Zippo. So yeah, should light right up. Okay, so it's all set up. I've replaced the wick and the flint, and I've gave it a little refill with the lighter fluid. Go ahead and light it up. And as you can see, that's a big flame right there. Cool. So these are my new Zippos I got in. The one on the right in the box, I ordered that one off the internet, and the one on the left, I picked that up at a local Walmart. Picked that one up. That's the regular chrome with the satin finish. That was only 10 bucks. As you see there, all Zippos made in the USA. And this one inside the box, I'm going to start with that one first. Been waiting for this one. I got this one for around 30 bucks online. And as you can see right there, say hello to my little friend. Tony Montana. Got the Scarface Zippo right there, made in the USA. It says $33.95 right there, but I actually paid around 30 bucks for it. That's a nice one right there. Love it. Oops, I accidentally tore that. So it comes with the guarantee from the Zippo manufacturing company, Bradford, Pennsylvania. Made in the USA, gotta love it. There it is. Brand new for 10 bucks. Get yourself a brand new Zippo lighter. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This was Knife of the Living Dead.